it's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm coming to you with NeeCJae. Hi you guys, it's me NeeCJae. Today I want to just come to you with these how I pack my toiletries when I travel, so I will not have to go through the hassle of TSA. If you are interested in seeing this video, then you stay tuned. Okay. This is my travel bag. I love this bag. My mom gave it to me, so I just love it because it carries everything that I need. It zips on both ends, and when you open it up, everything is in here. So I'm gonna start from this compartment right here. And so when I open this up, to just show you each and every item that I have. The first thing I have are my brushes. These are just all of my makeup brushes, my powder brush, my highlighter brush, my concealer brush, my makeup brush, just a little powder brush, blush brush, and my eyeshadow brushes, and also another makeup brush. So yeah, I just put all my brushes in this little compartment here, and you can buy these bags. I saw some in Walmart, Targets. You know, really convenient bags, especially if you travel. Lately I've been traveling a lot, so yeah. Okay. Also, I don't bring my big old bottle of toner, so I just bring this little bottle right here from Lancome. What I do, I save my little samples when I buy products from the department stores, and they give you the little sample items, the little free gift. I save them because they are really good for traveling. I love that. So, okay, and also I have my little makeup beauty blender, and this one is from e.l.f. I love this one. And my cleanser, this is from Lancome as well. This is, like I said, it is the 2 fluid ounces, so it is as TSA approved. Okay, and my foundations, I have my Double Wear, my high-end foundation, which I love. I love Double Wear. I'm in the color bronze. Also, my NARS, and I'm in the color Cadaz. And I also bring a BB tinted moisturizer, BB cream, because a lot of times, especially I am going on a cruise, so I really like lightweight looking makeup, so I will wear this a lot. And it also has an SPF of 30 in it. And my setting sprays, like I say, I use this more so than powder, so I do always have a setting spray by Milani. And I also have a Marc Jacobs. And so I use my high-end foundations when I travel a lot, most of the times. Now my drugstore foundations I use every day. They're my everyday foundations, okay? And also that's another little concealer brush that I use when I'm filling in my eyebrows. I like to just use this brush right here. And this is my makeup remover cloth. I remove makeup, wash my face, everything with this. It's so easy, convenient, and it dries really quick. It's like one of the makeup eraser, like what is it, makeup erasers, but it's little. And I received this from Ultra. I purchased this from Ultra Beauty. So yeah, that's my first compartment. The next compartment, my 2 biggest compartments, okay? We're gonna start right here first. Okay, in this one, as you can see, this just houses my deodorant. Okay, I'm just going to pick everything out. My deodorant. I also have a body shimmer. Well, I use it as a body shimmer. It's actually for your face, but it's from Argan or Physician Formula, and it's really good. It's like when you want to have a glow with some shimmer, it really adds like a really nice shimmer, so oil. So I like to use that as a body shimmer glow. I love shea butter, so I put it in a little container. I told you I keep these little containers because they come in very handy. I'm also using my Double Wear Estee Lauder moisturizer and the eye cream from a gift bag that I received from this, because I cannot carry my big moisturizer, my Water Boost by NeeCJae. I love that moisturizer, so when I'm traveling, this is the moisturizers that I will use, and that's why I take my shea butter just in case I need it, because I do have dry skin, so that comes in handy. Also, I have my hyaluronic acid serum, and I think when traveling, just a bar of soap really does well. And I have some Dial soap. I think it saves room. It's not as bulky. I don't have to, you know, have the body wash and all that stuff. So I just take a bar of soap. It's just very convenient for me. And I'm using Dial, Sensitive. I like Dove and Caressed as well, but today I have Dial. And let's see, I have another eye cream, and this is by Clinique. My toothbrush and toothpaste that I have in here. And I also have a razor. This is a razor for my husband, just in case he forget his, because sometimes he does. And I also have my razor. And I like to put them on the far end so I will not cut myself. I like to place it that way. It's so much easier, and I mean, it's that way I won't have to reach in and snag myself. Okay, and that is that compartment. And this is the last compartment right here. Okay. I like to carry my cotton balls, and I carry my cotton balls for any kind of makeup remover, or if I'm using my toner for my toner. And so a shower cap, just in case. You never know. A lot of times they have them, but just in case they don't. And for my hair products, I keep a lot of my samples. So I think it's so easy when you're just carrying samples. So I have a lot of them just in case, you know. So yep, I have shampoos. This is my leave-in. I have a couple of shampoos, leave-in conditioners, and I also have my curl cream. All of this, just in samples, shampoos. Yep, curls, creams, and leave-in conditioners. Okay, and these are my favorite. Always my holy grail, and I like this. This is a shampoo as well, and I have conditioners. So yeah, that comes in great. Okay. The next item that I do have some bobby pins. This is in no particular order, I'm just pulling it out. Have bobby pins, and I also have my rubber bands, just in case I want to pull my hair up, because most of the time when I'm traveling, I do wear my hair up. Also, I always carry a little clip, hair clip. Now, this is my eyebrow set. My eyebrow pencils, both of them, Anastasia Beverly Hill. Also, I have some hair gel, edge control gel. This is really easy and simple. You just can throw it in here, and it's TSA approved as well. This right here is just some gel. One of my favorite gels that I have. And this is Eco Styling Gel. This is the flaxseed gel, which I have not done a review on yet, but I will. But I love this gel, love it. So I take it and put it into a little container like this and carry it with me. And I also, let's see, my makeup, I have my concealer, just a little concealer, and one of my new lipsticks, and one of my red matte lipsticks that I always carry just in case, you never know. I have also a pressed powder, which I rarely wear, but if I do, I have it just in case. Also, I have a blush, and one of my favorite things that I do like to carry is this. Oh, and I have a lip liner. Let me show you a lip liner. And my makeup it's my Ray Ray palette. I love this palette. It has your contour powders, your highlighters, and your eyeshadows all in one palette. This is all I need. I'm good. This is all I will carry and I need. I can make several looks from this, okay? So I love this, I carry this all the time. And I also have another concealer. This is my NARS concealer. I have a couple of them. My liquid liner and my body lotion. And this is by Mielle. It's stretch mark cream. Locks in moisture and help reduce the appearance of stretch marks. It's also a lotion. And I have my shea butter as well. So yeah, I carry both of these. My eyeliner. Let's see. My eyeliner. And a mascara. And a sharpener. So that is all I have with you with my travel bag. You know, it's so easy and convenient. When I come back from traveling, what I do, I just stick this right into my closet area in my bathroom, up under the sink, or in my closet, you know, in my closet area. And I just keep it just like this. I may need a couple of items out of here, but not many. And I just leave it for the next time I go travel. So yeah, this is really easy and convenient. If you don't have one of these bags, I mean, I really suggest you get one. It's just so convenient, and I just take it and I put it in my carry-on. That's all I have for you today. So thank you so very much for tuning in. Go on over and check out my website at www.NeeCJae.net. Also, check me out on my other social medias. I'm on Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, and Instagram. So yeah, go ahead and over and check me out. Anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in. Peace and love until next time. Mwah. Bye.